Hi, this is Kiana with PNP Crafters. I got a question on how to order the larger prints from Walgreens for your Valentine's Day um, cards. So here I am on the Walgreens app. I'm going to go, not Walgreens app, but on the Walgreens site. I'm going to go to photo and then I'm just going to take it to the home page so I can show you what it looks like there. Okay, so once you are here, you want to go hover over same day. This is kind of what I do. I hover over same day, and as you can see, it gives you everything that you can get same day. And then I go into the posters section and click on posters. Once I get to posters and banners, I use the adhesive posters. Now the adhesive posters, click on it. Then from there, make sure that it's adhesive, and then you just choose your size. So adhesive for me, these three are same day pickup. If you want larger ones or whichever ones is not same day, then of course it will take them a couple days to do so. Now, right now, these are not on sale. It's 11 by 14. So you can look for a coupon to get you a discount and put that code in. Once you figure out the size, you'll click Create Now. Okay, so it is now coming up, and I simply want to, I have images in my login, but I don't want to log in. So all you would do is upload some images, so let me do that right now. Okay, so I've uploaded this image, and I'm just going to make sure that it's zoomed all the way out. Now, this one was actually larger than the size that I chose, but if you choose one and it doesn't fit exact, you want to make sure that you are zoomed all the way out and that you adjust your image accordingly. And then once you have that and you're satisfied with it, you'll go to Review Order. And then you're able to select as many quantities as you would like and just proceed to checkout. I hope this helps. If you guys have any other questions about how to use the templates or how to order things, you can leave me a comment down in the description of this video. Or if you are part of our group, definitely comment in the group so that way I can answer your questions. Happy crafting!